Welcome back. In this video, we will see how to delete duplicate rows in Microsoft Excel. So this is the table and it has 4 columns as you can see: player, country, year and runs scored in that particular year. So here the list of player names and their corresponding countries, and we have taken some years, and in that year the player has scored some run, which is put in column D. Now I have made a note, like you can see uh, some rows are colorful because they are identical, like this row, this second row and 12th row, these are identical, like all the column has same value, like you can see Virat, India 2020 year are same, and run scored are also same. And in row number 11 and row number 15, these two are identical, and the player is Morgan and country is England, year is also same, and run scored is also same for these two rows. Now if I want to remove the duplicate, so only one row from these two players, like Virat and Morgan, will stay for them each, and the other one, the duplicate one, will be removed. Like one row from Virat, which is duplicate, will be removed, and same for Morgan. So let's see how to do it, how to get the desired result. So we'll select the table, we'll go to data tab, then here you can see remove duplicates. Now after removal, two rows will be removed and remaining will be same. So let's see if we can get the desired result. I'm clicking on remove duplicate. Now window will appear. It will ask if all the columns will be selected, like if we want to delete based on all the columns. So we are first we are trying to get the result from all the columns. So I'm checking all these and then I'm selecting OK. So you can see two duplicate values are found and removed, and other remain same as we discussed, like two will be removed, like you can see, like the another row of Virat and another row of Morgan has been deleted. So we have achieved our desired result. Now in this case we have checked for all the columns, like if all the column values are identical. In the next example that I'm coming shortly, in there we will check if some of the columns, let's say in between these 4 columns 2 or 3 has same values. In that case, will it be deleted? So we will check that shortly. uh, so in this table you can see, like I have made a little bit color change, and you can see like for Virat, row number 2 and row number 12, all the 4 columns are same, and for Morgan, row number 11 and row number 15, all the columns are same, like 4 column has same value for 2 rows. That means first 3 column will also have same value for those 2 rows for Virat and Morgan each. And for Smith, the first 3 column has same value, but the fourth one has different value. This is 1189, and here you can find 783. So in this case, we will, like in the previous case I have checked for all the 4 columns. Now I will try to find the duplicate for first 3 column. So as we can expect, like one row from Virat will be deleted from these 2 rows, one row for Smith and one row for Morgan will also be deleted similarly. So I'm selecting the table, will go to data tab and remove duplicates. So our expected result will be 3 rows will be deleted, remaining will be same. 3 rows means one for Virat, one for Smith and one for Morgan. To understand clearly, I have purposefully made this coloring. Now I'm clicking on remove duplicates, and here all the 4 columns are checked. Now we want to check duplicates for 3 columns. So I am deleting the run scored one, means I'm unchecking the run scored one. Rest 3 are checked. So I'm clicking on OK. So as you can see, 3 duplicate values found and removed, as expected, as I told, Next 3 rows will be deleted, one for Virat, Smith and Morgan each, and remaining will same. You can see here like one Virat row is deleted, one Smith row is deleted, and one Morgan row is deleted. So this is how in a table we can easily try to find the duplicate from multiple columns, like let's say all column from the tables, or say 2 or 3 columns, and check like how to remove the duplicates. So hope you have understood. That's it for today. Thank you.